Welcome to this essential Microsoft Word tutorial. Today, we're unlocking a powerful feature that transforms your standard Word documents into dynamic, interactive PDFs. Imagine a PDF where readers can instantly jump to any section with a single click. That's what we're creating. This is incredibly useful for long reports, ebooks, or any document where easy navigation is key. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document. This is your foundation for an interactive PDF. Now, for the magic to happen, it's absolutely crucial that you've properly set up all your document headings using Word's built-in heading styles, like Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on. This is the backbone for your interactive navigation. If you've done this correctly, you should also have an automatic table of contents already inserted in your document reflecting these headings. Now, let's start the Save As PDF process. Go to the File menu located in the top left corner of your Word window. From the options presented, simply click on Save As. This will open the Save As dialog box. Next, you'll select your desired location to save your new interactive PDF file. For this demonstration, let's choose Desktop for easy access. Then, in the Save As Type drop-down menu, click on it and select PDF. Now, here's the crucial part for interactivity before you click Save. You'll see an Options button right next to the Save button. Click on this Options button. In the Options dialog box that appears, make sure that Create Bookmarks using Headings is checked. This tells Word to use your structured headings to generate clickable bookmarks in your PDF, enabling seamless navigation. For enhanced accessibility, you might also consider checking Document Structure tags for accessibility here. Once you've confirmed Create Bookmarks using Headings is selected, simply click OK in the Options dialog box and then Save in the main Save As dialog box. And boom, your interactive PDF file is ready. Open it up and you'll find a navigation pane, usually on the left side, where you can instantly jump to anywhere in the file by simply clicking the heading. This makes your documents incredibly user-friendly and professional. Master this technique to elevate your document sharing.